Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a desktop shortcut for Adobe Photoshop in Windows. The quickest way to jump straight into creating and editing without having to navigate a bunch of folders every time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Photoshop accessible from your desktop with just a double click. Let's dive right in. Now, there are a couple of ways to do this, but I'm going to walk you through a simple, reliable method using the Photoshop executable file itself. Let's start from the top. First, we need to find the Photoshop application on your computer. One of the easiest ways is to open File Explorer. That's the little folder icon usually pinned to your taskbar. Or if you prefer, you can simply use the Windows search bar. That's the bar you'll find at the bottom left of your screen. Just click on it and type Adobe Photoshop. When you see Photoshop pop up in the search results, don't click on it right away. Instead, right-click on it. This should give you a few options. What you want to look for is Open File Location. This little trick takes you directly to the folder where Photoshop actually lives on your computer, so you don't have to hunt around manually. Click on Open File Location, and you'll see a new window pop up showing the shortcut or the actual executable. Sometimes, this process will take you to a shortcut, not the real application. If that happens, repeat the same right-click and Open File Location step until you reach the folder with the real Photoshop.exe file. You'll know it's the right one because it will end in .exe and have the classic Photoshop logo. Now, once you've found Photoshop.exe, here's where the shortcut magic happens. Right-click on that file, and a menu will appear. You're looking for the Send To option. Hover your mouse over Send To, and in the sub-menu, you'll see Desktop. Create Shortcut. Click that, and Windows will instantly put a shortcut on your desktop for you. Let's pause for a quick note here. On some versions of Windows, especially Windows 11, you might not see Send To right away. If that's the case, look for an option that says Show More Options at the bottom of the right-click menu. This brings up the full Classic menu, and you'll find Send To sitting there. It's just Microsoft's way of keeping things tidy visually, but sometimes it hides options that you actually need. Once you've clicked Desktop, Create Shortcut, minimize all your windows so you can see your desktop, and you should see a brand new Photoshop shortcut waiting for you. If you want, you can rename the shortcut. Maybe call it Photoshop Fast Launch or something memorable. Simply right-click it, select Rename, and type in your preferred name. And that's it. Next time you want to fire up Photoshop, just double-click the shortcut. It will launch the program immediately, totally skipping the hassle of searching or digging through menus. This might sound like a small tweak, but believe me, if you use Photoshop regularly, having that shortcut saves time and keeps your workflow smooth, almost like having a favorite tool in your creative toolbox right on the work table. If you ran into any issues, like not being able to find Photoshop.exe, or if Send To doesn't appear even after clicking Show More Options, please let me know in the comments and I'll help you figure it out. Sometimes folder permissions or Windows updates can change how things look. That wraps up today's quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or requests for future guides, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tips and tricks just like this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy accessing Photoshop with just one click from now on.